Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, your girl, KD. So today, I actually have a package. You can't see it, but it says shopmissa. I think that's how you pronounce it, shopmissa. If it's not how you pronounce it, then honestly, like, I apologize and correct me if I'm wrong. So, this website carries makeups for about like $1. Makeup brushes, makeup eyeshadow, lipstick, everything $1. Well, I live in Canada, so it is the US dollar they're referring to, and $1 US is about, I don't know, I think it's $1.30 Canadian, depending on what day I filmed this or whatever. So one of the issues that I face with buying things considered internationally, if it's not within Canada, is that I have to pay customs and duties and things like that. So when I was ordering this, I was kind of nervous because I was just like, oh, I'm buying so much stuff for $1, like I'm gonna get like 20 stuff for like $20, but then I'm gonna be hit with customs and duties. So I'm like, you know what, let me chance it and see what happens, and that's what I did. Like, it defeats the purpose of buying things online. So anyways, I thought I'll give this site a chance and kind of see what happens and where it goes. I'm kind of just talking. I know you guys just want to see the things that I got. Might I add, I'm not a like makeup person. Like, I don't usually wear makeup. I'll put on like lip gloss. Right now I have on eyelashes and stuff, but I don't do the whole, like, I try to do the whole foundation and things, but I just don't know how to do it. And personally, it's just because, like, I just don't have the patience to learn. Maybe if you guys like this video, I will attempt to do some do some makeup and on my face and all that things. But if you guys, you know, don't like the video and stuff, then I'm not gonna do it, because I don't really care to like be putting on full makeup. But I got the makeup anyway because I thought it was cool to get things for $1. Like, it's very rare you find things for, like, you know, especially like makeup, like lipstick and all stuff, all those kind of things for $1. So anyways, here's my package. I'm so excited. Like, it took about, like, I ordered this, it took about less than a month to come. So I want to say it took about like 3 weeks to 4 weeks. That doesn't make any sense. I want to say 3 weeks it took for this to come, and I think that's pretty good. Like, I can't really complain unless you need it like right away. So I didn't, and also too, I did not get hit with the customs and duties. I did not, luckily. I don't know if it's because, like, it's like very light, like it's very light. Maybe if you buy more things and the more heavy it is, that's how they charge you. But I've been told that sometimes you may get hit with like paying customs and stuff, and sometimes you know, you'll get lucky. So I got lucky. I don't know if I'll try it again because I really don't like paying extra for shit that, sorry, my language, you know, for things that are like, you know, cheap. But anyways, let's open this up. Okay, so they gave me a list, I'm gonna cover my address, of the stuff that I got, which is cool because I honestly don't remember the stuff that I ordered. So it comes in bubble wrap, which is nice. It's actually some really nice bubble wrap, okay? Like, it's like the big one. It's nice. It's nice. I like this more than this. No, I'm playing. But no, I should have took a, okay, see? Miss A. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully my camera's focusing because I can't see what I'm doing. But we're gonna wing it anyways. So Miss A. Miss A. Miss A. Miss A. Miss A. Ooh, wait. Sarah. Pretty neat. I'm gonna open it. See, like a little styrofoam. This is like I should have so I can't get up there. Oh, I'm excited. You guys don't understand, like, I've had this in my room, like, I got it within like 3 weeks, and I had it in my room for over like a week or more, and my friends keep coming over and saying, Khadija, what is this? And I'm just like, you guys, like, no, don't touch it. So like, I'm so excited to finally open it. And like, I'm the type of person, like, I hate having extra stuff in my room if I don't have to have it. So I'm gonna open it and, you know, show you guys. Hopefully after I can just show you guys like up close how the things look. Like, I'm so excited. This is actually so, oh my gosh, like, I just like getting things in the mail. Like, I don't care what it is. Okay, so I should check off the list too and see if it's everything good. Got my pens over here. I got some lashes, as you can see. Got that. They're like really nice. Oh. And you guys, honestly, they wrapped it up pretty nicely so like things don't like break and stuff. Because as you can see, like right here, I shouldn't say that yet because I might unravel it and it might be broken like makeup or like eyeshadow in there. Broken palettes. So like, you know, I got a, it's called the Wonder Blender. So I got some brushes as well. I got makeup removing cleansing wipes. And you guys, these are like some, okay, I shouldn't say that. Some stuff I did, most of these, as I said, I live in Canada, so $1 US converts to about like $1.30 Canadian. So if this was $1, it's really $1.30. So keep that in mind, which is fine. Like $1.30, that's fine. Like $1.25, that's okay. Some things are a bit more than $1 on this site, but it's still like, for example, it might be like $2 instead of $1. Like, it's fine. Like, it's honestly like, it's, I feel like it's, you're still getting like, you know, yeah. I do like putting on eyeshadow. I don't feel like I put it on properly, but I just like the feeling of like putting it on. Like, I feel like, okay, I'm add some eyeshadow today, you know. So I got an all over shadow brush. I got, as I said, like, I have the brushes. Why am I going over it? Yeah. Makeup remover wipes. Like, you guys, look at this. Like, this is, yo, oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm so sorry. And I got this little makeup bag, and it has lemons on it, because if you know me, you know that I love lemons. I love everything about it. I like the way it looks. Like, I think it's just so beautiful. If I can like put like lemon wallpaper all over my walls, I would do it for the whole house. Like, I love lemons. Wow, you guys, I got a lot of stuff I did not even realize. Like, maybe I might order from these people again. Okay. Like, I really want to take a picture before I even like go through these things with you guys. Okay, I can't open this, so I'm just gonna slide them out. So I hope you guys can see this bag. Like, there's Mousse on it. Mousse. So I got the Velour. I got some eyeshadow. I think it's so pretty. And it comes in like, it's like wrapped up. Like, you know, sometimes you be going to stores and buying things and it's like not in a, like, it's not wrapped in a, you know, wrapped up basically. I think, you know, it's nice that it's wrapped up. Like, you know, they ain't gotta do all that. I got this shade. I think this shade is so gorgeous. I hope they look nice. Like, honestly, like, you guys have to like this video so it will like motivate me to do another video based on this. And subscribe too, please. So if you subscribe, then you'll know when the video comes out, you know. I got this shade too. Oh my god, these are so nice, you guys. I'm gonna order again. Like, I really hope like I like it enough to like order again. Like, even though it looks nice, it might not apply nicely. That makes sense, right? Okay, got 3 of those. I got Sexy Colors Sexy Colors 6 Kit Eyeshadow. Sexy Colors Sexy Colors 6 Kit Eyeshadow. It's so nice. It's like sunset colors, you know, or sunrise. No, sunset colors. So that's okay. Matte Long Lasting Pro Eyebrow Pencil. This is something I need to learn how to do, is drawing like eyebrows and stuff. Like I feel like I need to learn that. Like, even if I don't do it on a regular, I feel like I need to learn how to do that. So yeah, as I said, keep liking my videos, you know, subscribe. I hope this video is not so long. Like, I don't like long videos, so I'm probably gonna chop it up a bit, you know. And I got Matte Long, what the heck, why did I get 2? Matte Long Lasting. I'm looking on the, oh, I did get 2. I got 2 because there's 2 different colors, and I don't really know, like I said, I don't, you know, apply, like, I don't do my eyebrows, so I don't really know like what should, you know, right, what's the right color and stuff. So I got 2. I got Dark Coffee and I got Brunette. So then eyeshadow primer. I think I might be using this eyeshadow primer. And the brand, and it says Amuse Cosmetics, so I don't know. I forgot why I don't know what this is. POW-lighter. If you guys know what this is, I probably will like look and find out what it is. I can't remember why I got this POW-lighter, but it looks nice. You guys can, honestly, you guys can tell me like things and stuff like that, like, oh, you know, this is what it's for, and you know, that's really nice, because honestly I don't know nothing about makeup, but I just felt like I like to buy things. Like, I have a problem, I like to buy things, and I felt like if I'm gonna make up for it, why would I not buy these things, you know? So Starry mascara, it's so pretty, like the, you know, it has the little diamonds and the little things on it. It's pretty. I don't really wear mascara anymore, just because of the fact that I wear the lashes, and I don't like to put mascara with the lashes, but I got it anyways. Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Look at this color. Look at this. Look at this shade. Look at it. 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 It's so pretty. I like nudes, and I like dark colors, and you know, this is really nice. Glossy Lip Sheer Lip Gloss with brush applicator. LA colors. I mean, we have LA colors in the stores over here, you know. So that's, you know, let me try that. Then I also got another matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. So I should tell you guys the colors of this. The first one I got was Shade. The second one is Boujee. Look at this. Look at the colors, you guys. Like, this is so gorgeous. Like, then I have eye primer right here. I think I said I already had that. Then I got some, you know, some clear lip gloss. Do you guys remember these? Like, back in the days, they had, like, we used to use these things. So I got them just for, you know, nostalgic, you know, moment, shit like that. Sorry, I'm saying S. I don't know if that's considered a bad word, but whatever. I hope they don't, you know. Anyways, Bunny Balm lip balm. I thought it was cute, that's why I got this. I like really cute stuff. Like I like, you know, little animal stuff, like whatever. So that's why I got it mostly. And yeah, that's it. That's it. So, you know, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to like it. Don't give me a thumbs down. Like if you don't like it, just don't say anything. Just walk away. You don't have to put I'm like stressing. I'm like, yo, you do not have to like give me a thumbs down. Just walk away. Just exit the video. Like, thank you. Like, at least, you know. But at the same time, I don't care. I kind of care a little bit. So, and don't forget to subscribe. You know, the more subscribers I get, the more videos I'll put out. I don't know if you guys like this video. I hope it's nice. Like, you know, and